Hello YouTube, sorry, I've been trying to make this video now, but my camera seems to be messed up a little bit. So yeah, right now I'm going to show you how to use a grinder safely, well, safe as I know, but first things first, you need gloves, face shield if you have one, a good grinder, safe one, make sure you have a good cutting wheel, make sure you have hearing protection, eye protection, all safety stuff you can find. Put it on. Grinders are serious things, so I'll show you how to use a grinder. So I'm just going to cut some nuts and bolts off this wheelbarrow here that since I got a new one I don't need it. So let me show you this. So first, if you have a face shield like what loggers wear or trees people wear, wear one of them if you have one. They'll help. Any kind of face protection, eye protection, any kind of protective wear, use it. Can never be too safe. I can show you pictures of grinder accidents. My dad used to be a sheet metal worker, which is all they use is grinders, welders, and all kinds of stuff like that. So you can never be too safe using a grinder. So I can show you horrible pictures. There's people who's lost a buddy of his lost his finger at work, it was bad, and I could tell you go on about grinder accidents, but I won't, because it probably would be good for views and ratings. Not. But so let's get cutting here. So let me put this on a tripod here. I'm not good at videoing anymore. Never really was. So I set it on my handy dandy tripod here. And let's hope my memory card works, because if not, I want to be pretty mad. So I want to wait till 2:30, then I'll know it works. Till I have 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the memory card. If not, then I need to go buy myself a new memory card. Alright, so I'll show you. Make sure you don't keep your cord in the way. When you're using a grinder, you want to make sure you have all your skin covered. Gloves are pretty good. A good pair of gloves. Keep your skin covered really good. That's just some advice from me. You don't have to listen to it if you don't want to. Make sure I have a good camera view, and you probably didn't see any of that. My bad. Try to keep me out of the video. She'll keep coming apart here. some of this stuff and make a welding video. I do have a welder, a Craftsman, not bad. I don't know how much it was. So, I'm not gonna get too crazy. Go over to that there. Zoom in. Zoom in. There we go. You really want to make sure you have a good. When you're messing around with your grinder, always unplug it. So make sure you have your shield on like this. I probably can't see because I'm zoomed in like big time. So get the video away. This here shield has got to be adjusted and tightened with a Phillips head screwdriver. So I'm going to cut the video right there. Any questions, just ask me. Feel free. So there you go. Thanks guys for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Ask me to become your friend because I will. So thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoy.